since we're talking about video blogging, SEO is definitely a component of that. The main thrust of video blogging in terms of how it can impact your site's SEO score is just the fact that you have it on there. So it's like you want to have the video content on the page, so that's definitely a step in the right direction for sure.
Chris, does the YouTube, the fact that you've put a description and those kind of SEO tags when you describe the video, will that also be part of that algorithm, the SEO?
Absolutely, 100%. So I don't know if I can link out to it really easily from here at least, but if you were going to open up, oh yeah, it should open that in a new tab. So basically, when you upload the video to YouTube, let's see if I can pull up that. Here we go. So on YouTube, you're able to add a title. You are able to add a description. You can have links below it, all that good stuff. So you're definitely going to want to do that as well. So if you were, making a short video about an upcoming event, got the rodeo coming through or something like along those lines, you're going to want to include a title. You're going to want to, so as you can see, we always include, links out to our social media, to our, our main YouTube channel, all that good stuff. You can kind of have a uniform thing that you put in all of the YouTube descriptions that include some links and that include, a great deal of information about, exactly what you're using out there. So you can also set categories, and then you're also going to see that, you can interact with folks in the comments here as well. So yeah, it's definitely very important, and a really good point, John, to also, when you're uploading the video to YouTube that you've created, just include some of that information as well.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this episode of EAP TV. If you want to see more, click the circular EAP logo to the left to subscribe, or you can watch more videos by clicking on the links to the right.